Our top stories this week. Astro Skate Night brings fun and community spirit to students. On Brainwave, learn about what cancel culture is and its effect on the digital or online community. Plus, stay tuned for a Weather Watch with Alberto Medina and more updates and reminders on Shark Bites. All that and more right here on Wavemakers. Confidence, creativity, commitment. Making waves the PBMA way. I'm Brandon Nagasar, and join us as we bring you closer to the action and stories happening for our school community.
So don't forget to stay tuned as we bring you stories that matter. This is Caleb Batista, and you're watching
Wavemakers. Students and staff enjoyed an exciting evening of fun, music, and connection during Astro Skate Night, which took place from 6 to 8 p.m. at Green Acres. The event brought together students from different grade levels, creating a lively and inclusive atmosphere as participants took to the rink. With upbeat music playing throughout the night, attendees showcased their skating skills while others enjoyed learning and simply having fun with friends. Astro Skate Night also provided a valuable opportunity for students to unwind after a busy academic schedule. Laughter and energy filled the venue as students bonded outside the classroom, strengthening friendships and building a sense of community. Teachers and staff expressed their appreciation for the students' positive participation and behavior, which contributed to event's overall success. The smooth coordination and enthusiastic turnout made the night both memorable and enjoyable for everyone involved. Overall, Astro Skate Night was a successful and engaging event that highlighted the importance of school spirit, student connection, and well-balanced experiences beyond academics.
This week, we are highlighting what cancel culture is and its effect on the online community. Let's learn more about this with Sophia and Janaya for Brainwave.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Brainwave, where ideas spark and minds grow.
I'm Janaya.
And I'm Sophia. Today, we're talking about something you've probably seen all over social media, cancel culture.
Justice or harm? So what exactly is cancel culture?
It's when a person, usually a public figure, is called out online for something they said or did, and people stop supporting them.
Some people believe cancel culture is a form of accountability.
Right, it gives a voice to people who might not have been heard before and can bring attention to serious issues.
It can also push people to take responsibility for their actions and make positive changes.
But others say cancel culture can go too far.
Yeah, sometimes people are judged too quickly with the full story.
And mistakes, especially from the past, can follow someone forever, even if they've grown or changed.
So where do we draw the line?
Is it about holding people accountable or giving them a chance to learn and improve?
Maybe it's both balance, speaking up when things are wrong but also allowing space for growth.
So here's your Brainwave question of the day.
Do you think cancel culture helps people create justice or causes more harm? Why?
Think before you post, react, or judge.
Because behind every screen
is a real person. Thanks for tuning into Brainwave.
See you next time.
Stay sharp and keep making waves of success with Brainwave. Now let's dive in and check out the latest Shark Bites with Alexis and Aaliyah.
Hey Sharks, my name's Alexis.
And I'm Aaliyah,
and here are some quick Shark updates. Calling all ocean explorers, PBMA is offering an incredible shark tag field trip in partnership with the University of Miami Shark Research and Conservation Program. Students will get the chance to experience hands-on shark tagging and marine conservation activities while learning directly from real researchers in the field. It's a rare opportunity to dive into marine science and discover how scientists protect our oceans. The trip is happening April 22nd from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. and it's limited to only 18 students, open to grades 6 through 12. If you're interested, stop by room 222 and see Mr. Allen to pick up your permission form. Spots are first come, first served, so don't wait.
Attention middle school students in grades 6 through 8. An exciting marine adventure is coming your way with the Marine Lab Marine Resources Development Foundation. This 2-day, 1-night marine lab experience will take students into the world of marine science and activities like seagrass, mangrove ecology field trips, coral reef exploration, and hands-on marine biology labs. Students will even learn about invertebrate diversity and coral reef ecosystems while working with real marine science educators. The program costs $350 per student and includes instruction, field trips, snorkeling gear, dinner, and breakfast. Possible trip dates include April 27th through the 28th, May 11th through the 12th, and May 20th through the 22nd. Interested? See Mr. Allen in room 222 for more information. Calling all PBMA students who love plants, teamwork, and positive energy. If you enjoy getting your hands in the soil, learning how to grow plants, and working together with friends, the gardening club is the perfect place for you. Come grow with us. Meeting time is at 3:45 p.m. For more details, please see Coach Lefebvre and Sophia Varallo. Let's plant, grow, and make our campus greener together.
A quick reminder about the 10-10 rule. No passes during the first or last 10 minutes of class. Let's stay focused and make every minute of learning count.
Sharks, remember, all cell phones and electronic devices must be placed in your yonder pouches during the first period and kept there throughout the day. This helps avoid class disruptions and keep everyone focused on learning. Let's stay present, stay focused, and keep our classrooms distraction-free.
Sharks, don't forget to subscribe to PBMA's official YouTube channel where you can see all of Wavemakers episodes. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
And now for the quote of the week. John Wooden once said, "Don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do."
That sums up this week's episode of Wavemakers. Your stories, your voice, our commitment. Sharks, always remember to reflect our shark mentality by being safe, respectful, and responsible.
For more updates, visit us at PMA's official YouTube and Facebook accounts, delivering campus news with accuracy and integrity. This is Caleb Batista.
And I'm Brandon Agasar, and this has been
Wavemakers.
Thanks for tuning in, Sharks. Have a great weekend.